In this video, we're going to deploy an application onto Elastic Beanstalk. And we can do that by clicking Services, finding Beanstalk in the application menu, and navigating to the page. The first time you visit the Elastic Beanstalk dashboard, you're going to be given the option to deploy a sample application, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. So let's give it an application name, and then let's choose a platform. And as you can see, there are many different runtimes to choose from, but for this example, we're going to choose the Node.js pre-configured runtime. We're going to leave it on sample application, although if you were to deploy your own application, this is where you would upload that WAR or zip file. But for now, let's move on to configure more options. So as you can tell, there's a whole lot of configuration you can do to your Elastic Beanstalk application without having to actually know how to manage them in the AWS services. One thing you'll notice right off the bat is you have a few configuration presets to choose from. For example, if you want to keep everything free tier eligible, then you can leave it at the default option. However, if you want high availability, then you can select that one, and you'll notice that a load balancer is created and that the capacity has updated from 1 to between 1 and 4. You can also manage a custom configuration and modify anything you need to for your Elastic Beanstalk configuration. For now though, we're going to leave it on low cost and click Create App. This is going to take just a moment, so I'm going to pause this video and be right back with you. And we're back, and Elastic Beanstalk is done configuring our entire web application for us behind the scenes. And just to get a scope of what's been done for us, let's check out configuration here. So at a very high level, you can see that Elastic Beanstalk has set up an environment for us with EC2s using auto-scaling, load balancing, service roles, and all kinds of other configuration that we didn't have to worry about. So let's check out what it looks like. Let's open the URL in a new tab. And there we go. There's our Node.js web application. Now, if we wanted to update this and use our own code, then similarly to how we created a deployment package in Lambda, we could go to our dashboard, go to Upload and Deploy, and then choose a deployment package here as well as giving it a version label so that you can track and deploy different versions of your Elastic Beanstalk applications. And that about wraps it up for how to deploy a basic Elastic Beanstalk application. So if all of that made sense, feel free to move on.